going on, YouTube? I'm gonna do unboxing on this extremely volatile assortment. It's mostly a novelty assortment. It's the first time I opened it. All right. It's got a pack of the festival balls. These are real ball shells, I already know that. But I'll just open it up real quick so that we could all see. Real ball shells. Raccoon does it right. So we got a 6-pack of those. Got a pack of the mini bomber 1-inch. I'm gonna do some demos out of here and there. Little 1-inch cans. Pretty sure they're color. I'll do a demo on them just to find out. But I'm like 90% sure these are color. So it's got a 12-pack of 1-inch mini shells, a 6-pack of some real ball shells, 9-shot Sky Painter fireworks, Dino Party, red tail to red with white strobe, green tail to brocade with red strobe, blue tail to silver coconut with crackling. So real breaks. It's got 6-pack of the Sky Painter flying UFOs, artificial satellites. It's got 2 Monkey Mania Roman candles. It's Raccoon brand. Can you close the door, Seth? Let's see if they got performance. Red pearl, so no breaks. And this one's blue pearls. 2 of those. It's got 2 mini tanks. I don't see a brand on it. So this one shoots at the little firecracker. I like this little assortment, man. It's just a bunch of novelties. Cool stuff like that. Sky Painter color smoke balls. 6-pack. So it's got a, this is one of the coolest items here. It's got bunny ears in here, man. These are real fucking hitter salutes right here. I have a bunch of boxes that I picked up previously, but it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost a full pack. And these things are no joke, man. These things hit like they're really fucking loud. I'm surprised that Assortment doesn't even have those. So we are singing Sky Painter fireworks. Let's see, there's a performance. Red tail to red with white strobe, green tail to green with crackling. So it's another one. Real breaks, a little 7-shot, 100-gram cake. Guitar World, 7-shot Sky Painter. Red tail to brocade crown with blue tail to brocade crown with crackling. Another one with real breaks. Let's see, this one's Song of America. Oh, this is just a comic cake. I did see the demo on this. No performance, but it's just a comic cake. It's not bad though. Let's see. I think this is the last aerial. Rock You, Sky Painter. Red tail to purple with green strobe, green tail to green coconut with time rain. So it's got 4 cakes. Those are 4 cakes with real breaks. 18 shells, a little comic cake, 8 salutes, a bunch of novelties. These are all fountains right here. Lunar Eclipse fountain, Monkey Mania. So here's a performance. Fountains usually don't have performances. It's a pretty big fountain. It's not crazy heavy. Pyro Diablo Sweet Honey fountain. This one's good. I've had it before. It's a little 1-2, but Pyro Diablo stuff's sick. Never disappoints. And then this one's Pyro Diablo. Flitter Sweet Fountain. I like the holographic wraps, are pretty sick. This looks like another Pyro Diablo. Oh, I think all the fountains are Pyro Diablo. Well, there's that one. That one's Monkey Mania. Stardust Fountain. And this one is a Happy Night Fountain. These are all 1 tubes, but like I said, Pyro Diablo stuff's good. For the most part, I haven't ran into anything bad. Kung Fu Fountain. This one has more than 1 tube. This feels like 2 or 3 tubes. A little short fountain, but 2 or 3 tubes. It's got a bunch of snakes, man. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of Happy Family glow snakes. They all do the same shit. They say color and glow and all that, but they all do the same thing. 3 packs of the black snakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of colored snakes. See, this is all the shit that I wouldn't buy, but it comes in an assortment, so it's pretty cool. Monster Bangs, Unicorn Fireworks. That's the OG brand right there. Adult Snaps. 20 in the box. It's got 2 packs. Okay, we got purple, yellow, and orange smoke. If I had to guess, these are probably like 30 seconds, maybe a minute. But, you know, better than the smoke balls. This is a good one right here. Red, white, and blue smoke. Happy Family. These things are cool, man. Novelties that I would not buy if it didn't come in an assortment. Let's see. What are these? Magical Candle. How many shots is it? Does it say? 10 ball. Dude, this is like a freaking pencil. That's freaking funny, man. I've never had a Roman candle this small. And then the last thing in here, M66 firecrackers, or tube crackers. I'll for sure do a demo on these. Little tube crackers. Man, it's not bad though. It's really not bad. Little, I guess it's comparable to like the New Yorker assortment, Phantom. But honestly, this is better than that. I wouldn't even say it's comparable. This is way better. And I paid higher than I would have wanted to be honest with you. I got it for $100. I feel like this is like a safely it's an $80 assortment, but it's new for this year. I wanted to get it. I wanted to check it out. So that's the extremely volatile assortment. I don't know where the lid is.